Assalamualaikum friend, in this video I am going to tell you how to construct a frequency distribution. I have a marks of 25 students and for these marks I am going to construct a frequency distribution. For constructing a frequency distribution we need two things. Number one is number of classes and then number two is the class width. For computing number of classes I am using here Stubbs formula, which is 1 plus 3.3 log of n. This n is our total number of observations. We have 25 marks of 25 students, so I am going to put here 25 instead of n. And by calculating after calculating this, we get the answer 5.61, which becomes 6 after rounding off. 6 is our total number of classes. Now I'm going to find out class width. For finding a class width we need two main things: range and number of classes. We have already computed number of classes here. Now the range is basically the difference between maximum and the minimum value. Here we have 48 as our maximum value and 25 is our minimum value. So by putting these values in our formula, we get 48 minus 25, 23. Now I am going to put the values of range and number of classes in the formula of class width. 23 divided by 6. Our answer is 3.83, which is near to 4. Our class width is 4, which means each class is consist of 4 numbers. Now I'm going to start with the smallest number, which is 25. 25, 26, 27, 28. 4 numbers. The difference between these two numbers is also equal to 4. 32, 36, 40, 44 and 48. Now I'm going to count the number of occurrence, that is frequency. For our convenience we mark here a tally. Now I'm going to check how many numbers between 25 to 28 occur in our data. 28, one tally mark. 27, another tally mark. 25, and other tally mark. So there are only 3 numbers occur between 25 to 28 in our given data. So I am going to write here number 3 in the column of frequency. Frequency means number of occurrence. Now we can check the numbers between 29 to 32. 32, one tally mark. 'There is only one number. Now the numbers between 33 to 36. 36, one tally mark. 33, two tally marks. 34, another tally mark. 35. Now after the 4 marks we can mark 5th one like this. Here we have 5 numbers between 33 and 36. Now the numbers between 37 to 40. 40, 1 mark, 39, another mark, 38, another mark, 40, one more mark, 38. Now the fifth one is like this. 37, here are 237, so we mark 2 here. Now our total number of occurrence is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now the numbers between 41 to 44. Here are 244. I am going to mark 2 tallies here. 41, 42, 43. Fifth one, 0, 5. Here I see another 37, so we include in our above class, so it becomes 8 now. Now numbers between 45 to 48, there are only 2 numbers, 48 and 48. Now we sum up these numbers and the sum of these numbers must be equal to 25. 10, 8, 5 plus 5, 10, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 2, 20, 20 plus 3, 23, plus 1, 24. We skip one number. Yes, that is 47, which is also included in our last class. So here total number of frequencies becomes 3. Now our total will be equals to 25. 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 3, 21, 21 plus 3, 24, and then 1 equals to 25. Now you can see how easy it is to construct a frequency distribution. So choose any data set and try this at home. And if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.